What are those, Mark? What are these? What are they?
Yes.
Are they lights?
Yes.
Can you show your baby the light?
Yes.
Show your baby.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Very excited about lights. Looks nice, huh, John? Okay, put the lights on there. Good job. Can you say Merry Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas? I'm gonna have to redo these, of course. Can you say Merry Christmas? Say Merry Christmas. Johnny, what did Marky give you? Did he give you our Christmas lights?
Yes.
There. Oh no, let the baby see them. Ooh, that's neat. Don't stick them in your mouth. Mark, stop. What do you got, John? Did Marky give you the Christmas lights? Oh, that's so neat. Are they pretty? Kind of lost out there. Ooh, that's so nice. What do you got, Mark? Do you have our Christmas lights? Is that fun? Marcus, what are you doing? Can you say light? Oh, so fun. Yeah. Show me how you decorate the Christmas tree, Marcus. Put it on there. It's just gonna throw them on. What happened? Decorate the tree. You're so silly. Oh no! Joy of boys, that's for sure. Johnny, are you going to decorate the tree? What do you got? What do you got? You got a Christmas ball? Don't eat it. Put it on the tree, baby. Oh, you tried. Here you go. Try again.